Hello dear friend, welcome to another video. My name is Afzal. Today we are discuss about GT empowers wealth deposit and net buying GT share up to $20,000 and this event live on Get at our website. So dear friend, you can see as a new user deposit or claim net buying GT to win as a token airdrops, and you can see dear friend second step invite friends to unlock the ultimate $10,000 prize pool. Now, dear friend, I open article and give you more information about as a GT empowers wealth, and I hope you make Get Data account. If you not make Get Data account, I give you link description. You go make account and complete your identity verification. Now, dear friend, we are discuss about information as a GT empowers, and you can see as a deposit to claim share as a rewards net buying GT to earn more and unlock the ultimate referral prize pool. The more you invite, the higher your rewards up to as a $20,000 events. Now, dear friend, this is a button about as a join this event, and this event time period you can see as a March 17 up to as a March 25 UTC. Now, dear friend, we discuss about as a challenge number one deposit, and you can see dear friend this is a information deposit and claim a 5,000 prize pool. New user who register and complete their first net deposit of at least $50 in GT, BTC, Ethereum or USDT during the event will receive a $5 as a reward. The total prize pool is 5,000, so available on, and you can see first come first serve basis, and this is a registration link. Now dear friend, we discuss about as a challenge number two. You can see dear friend this is a challenge number two, and you can see as a net buying and GT2 when token airdrops and share as a $5,000 during the event. New user who achieve net buying of at least one GT and participate any hodler airdrop will share a $5,000 prize pool based on their net buying volume. And this is a note about registration before March 17, 2025 UTC but have never participated in a hodler as a airdrop are also eligible for this rewards. Now dear friend, you can see this is information about as a how to join GT holdings groups as a hold 10 GT and click on get GT hodlers bot and enter your get.io UID or contact admin official communities to get the group invite as a link. Now dear friend, we discuss about as a master referral. You can see unlock the ultimate 10,000 prize pool and unlock as a higher prize pool based on the total numbers of members or users during the event. Rewards will be distributed based on the numbers of world referral each participant achieve. You can see, and this is a total invited user, and this is the unlock prize pool. 100 users $200 and 300 users $1,000. 500 you can see $2,500 and 1,000 user as a $6,000 and 2,000 user as a $10,000. Now dear friend, this is a information about your as a referrer. As a willed referrer must be registration during the event period and complete at as a first net deposit at least $50 in GT or BTC, Ethereum or USDT to continue as a willed and get your referral code link. So dear friend, we discuss about more information and click on this button as a join button, event button. You can see this is a join button and we are click this button, and you can see campaign is open, and you can see dear friend this is the same information we are already discussed. And now we click as a join button, and this event time period as you can see as a 6 days 3 hours, and this is a button about to join this event, and just click on this button and you can see dear friend I am registered this event. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell notification for more latest videos. Thank you.